Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites, a Gamma AI account and a clear outline. Once signed in, upload your images and paste key data. Next, pick a template or blank canvas. This choice shapes layout and pacing. Make sure to name your project so you can find it later, then set the aspect ratio and slide count to match your audience. Begin by dragging a title block onto the first slide and paste your opening headline. This gets the structure in place quickly. Now you move into the detailed execution. Use Gamma's AI suggestions to auto-generate slide text and structure, but edit for tone and accuracy. Once done, adjust layouts, fonts, and color palette to match your brand. Consistency improves comprehension. Add charts or embed videos by selecting the media block and uploading files or links. Make sure to review transitions and timings. Set them faster for short talks and slower for walkthroughs, so the flow matches your narration. Finish by previewing the entire deck and reading slides allowed to catch awkward phrasing. Adjust copy where emphasis feels off. When satisfied, export to PDF or MP4 or generate a share link for collaborators. If you encounter rendering errors, first clear your browser cache and reload. If media fails, re-upload files at lower resolution or check format compatibility. If collaboration sync lags, refresh the project and confirm permissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.